Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to today's video. It's spooky, but a little bit cute. So a few videos ago, I stated I'd been invited to pattern test for a fellow content creator. And that person is Reggie at J Hook Crochet. She invited me to pattern test for her. I was honored and just absolutely touched because I don't get asked to pattern test and I don't put my name forward for pattern tests. But did I enjoy doing this? You betcha. I loved it. So today is the launch of Count Stitchular, Reggie's pattern. It is for sale on Etsy, but with this video, we're giving away one pattern, courtesy of Reggie. Stay to the end and I'll tell you how you can win it. So I've got a few notes because I always forget. My Count Stitchular is flying in. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun. He's a very cute bat. Ta-da! So he has double-sided wings. He's really easy to make. The only thing you sew on, you crochet the wings together, you sew them on, and you crochet the ears and sew them on. I probably could have pinched together my ears more like that, but I'm really happy with the way he turned out. I gave him 20mm eyes and a little nose. He is made in Zaddy Craft Really Good Chenille in the color red, which is passionate. He calls it passionate, and black. His wings are contrasting black. I think he turned out great. I really like him, and I must thank Reggie for asking me to pattern test. I love it. I did really enjoy it. The pattern is so easy to follow. An advanced beginner like me had a go, so you should have a go. And it turns out really cute. So here where I live, we have bats that breed once a year in the nature strip over the back. And they get quite loud at night and it's very smelly. Their guano, poo, stinks up the whole atmosphere. You cannot have your windows open. But I'll tell you a funny story. A couple of years ago, when my dog Baxter, may he rest in peace, was alive, he was out playing in the yard late at night, like on dusk, and then he was at the back door. He looked disgusted and miserable. He had a cream coat, but one of the bats flying over had decided to take a great big poo flying and it had splattered all over the dog's back. We had to bath him really well because their guano really stinks up the place and he smelled bad, but he was really happy to have a bath and get rid of his stuff on his fur. So that's one funny story I've got for you. Zaddy Craft Really Good Chenille, 4.5mm crochet hook because that suits my tension. I think he recommends a 5mm. I like this pattern so much that recently I decided I'd make another one. We had a Halloween market in October last year for the community and it was really successful. And I thought, well, they like you to theme some of your stall to Halloween. And I thought, these are great Halloween plushies to make. So I started another one. He's sort of got bigger eyes. He's in this color. I made his ears ready to go on. And I did his wings, one set of wings. I played yarn chicken and lost. I now have to try and come up with a contrasting color to go inside the wings and I can't decide. I've run out of this yarn, which is mill ends, but I believe it's mystical. I've run out of this yarn, which is Porter Craft, and I have nothing like that color. So all you creative people out there, let me know in the comments below, what contrast color should I use on the inside of the wings to finish him? I think he may be, oh no, he might be the same size. I thought he might finish up slightly bigger than Passionate Bat, Count Stitchular, but we will see. I do want to finish him. I want to have a couple ready in case we do a Halloween market in October. But I definitely will take this Count Stitchular to my market Festival of the Knob in June. So Halloween, I worked today and I had a pretty full-on day, but before I left I thought I'm going to watch a video and have a cup of tea before I face the drive and the traffic home and the busy night I've got, because it's the 1st of May and it's Thing's birthday, and we're not going out to a restaurant because he's not really up to it, even though he's got the all clear from the doctor. He wants me to cook surf and turf, so I had to stop off and get some seafood for surf and turf. So I thought, oh, before I go home I'll watch a video, YouTube video, have a cup of tea. And I watched no catchy name Ella's Vida, where she launched her Count Stitchular. You got to check out the video because it's really cute and funny. This girl, Ella, is so into Halloween, it's unbelievable. If she becomes any more addicted, her family are going to have to organise an intervention and get her back on track. But her Count Stitchular is different to mine. He's grey and bigger. But so check out her video because it's a really cute video and it made me laugh. So here's my second story. I have my cup of tea, watch the video, pack up my office and leave. And I'm in the queue of traffic at the traffic lights to head home when I notice the big black 4-wheel drive in front of me. Its personalised number plates were spooky. What a coincidence is that? I'm talking about Halloween Count Stitchular. I watched Ella's video based on Count Stitchular and Halloween. And then I'm driving home and I see a vehicle with the number plate spooky. The gods are aligned and it was time for me to do my video. So how can you win Reggie's pattern? I decided that you could leave a comment and use the word Halloween in your comment to go into the draw. It'll be picked at random, but I'll use that word to help pick it at random. Once the winner is announced, you send me your email address and I give it to Reggie and she forwards you a pattern. So if you are really into making plushies or you'd like to have a go at making one, this is to certainly suit an advanced beginner. Enter down below, use the word Halloween. Now, you can also win a pattern prize on my video, Marathon Knitted Scarf, and it's not a knitted pattern prize. Check out the video because I will draw them both on the same day, the 12th of May. So you got a bit of time, go and check out the other video, especially if you like patterns. And trust me, none of them have to be knitted, they can be crocheted, they can be plushies. We will see for that video. But this one is for Count Stitchular. Now, if you're too impatient to wait to win a prize, you can check out Reggie's shop on Etsy, J Hook Crochet, and buy one. I think in Australian dollars it's about $6.57, which is a really good price for a pattern. That's pretty average what I will pay. So there you go. Your opportunity to win a Count Stitchular or a pattern prize on my other video. Look, mail costs are astronomical. I do pattern prizes and gift vouchers now because it's just so expensive to mail overseas. Often the mail cost is a lot more than what I'm actually sending. So it is a great way to give back with a pattern prize, and I appreciate Reggie giving us the opportunity to give one away. But he is so cute. Look, I don't like bats, but I'm in love with this one. And I'm definitely going to make more. Guys, that's it for me today. Got a lot to get ready for dinner. And I hope you have enjoyed Count Stitchular and my stories that are really quite strange. Fancy driving home seeing spooky on someone's number plate. Anyway, make sure you enter down below and use the word Halloween to win this one. And let me know what's a good contrast colour to go with this purple, because I have none of this left and none of this, which was a bit silly really, but anyway, That's me. Sometimes I get carried away. I was so excited about this. I started one straight away. Okay, stay safe, stay well, and don't forget to enter the pattern prize draws that I've told you about. Bye for now.